Dollar Tree or $1.75 tree? I'm Jamie, the crafty DIY guy. All right, you guys, so it's true. It is now going to be soon anyway, $1.75 tree. But I do have a shopping haul for you guys today. I've got some things I want to show you. There's like 3 or 4 bags over here. And I have mixed emotions on this. I'm not really 100% sure how I'm feeling about it. If I see better products and better offerings, then I may be okay with it. It definitely will slow down the amount of Dollar Tree that I've purchased in the past. As I mentioned, I do have a haul. I've got some cool things. I did find some new stuff, and I'm going to share those items with you. There's no real rhyme or reason to these bags because I didn't separate anything out yet, so this is just kind of what it is. This is the first item, and it was $1.25. It was proudly stamped $1.25, but this is a duster kit. So if you're familiar with those kind of handheld dusters, this is it's got 3 of the cloths, and then it's got the little stick kind of thing to hold on to it. So for $1.25, I thought that was pretty good. I'm gonna pop stuff down here in front of me, and this was kind of cool. This is 2 pieces. This is a soap bag, and this soap bag is kind of like a little burlap bag. It's got a drawstring at the top. You put your bar of soap in there, and it kind of acts like it's a loofah as well as the bag itself. So that was kind of fun. What else do I have? I saw this, and I thought these were absolutely adorable, especially for Easter coming up. My guess is that these are probably going to go pretty fast. But a little salt and pepper shaker set. It's a little bunny, and then a little carrot stick. And yes, they were $1.25. So that was something I was pretty pleasantly surprised. And when I saw those, it was the only set that was left. So I'm pretty sure they were popular. I thought that this vase was really kind of attractive. And it's one of those kind of crafter square pieces that you can just kind of paint yourself and DIY. It was $1.75. And I have a cool DIY video. You guys recently saw my last DIY video, and I've got some new DIYs that I'm working on as well. I grabbed one of these little lights because this is part of a Dollar Tree DIY that I'm going to be working on, and so I'm excited about. I did see these, and I've got these in a couple different colors also. Deco art paints. There are deco art paints at Dollar Tree, and they were $1.25. I grabbed the ones that I wanted, and I scanned them to immediately make sure that they were $1.25, and they were coming up as $1.25. These are outdoor paints specifically, so this is a satin acrylic paint, and it's kind of a brown color. And then, of course, I was happy to see a blue one. So I did grab that. By the way, too, I wanted to send a thank you. I haven't done a video in a little while, but where I can kind of freely talk to you guys. But I wanted to thank the subscriber that sent me this watch. I love this watch. This watch is absolutely beautiful. It was on my Amazon wish list, and she knows who she is. So thank you for sending me this watch. This was a fantastic surprise, and I was very happy. And so thank you for that. I wanted to make sure I wore it so I would remember to say hi to the person. And then also I needed to be saying hello to somebody for a very long time that I keep forgetting about. And it's just because my memory is, I've got a lot of stuff going on right now. But Charlie Ray. Hi, Charlie Ray. I just wanted to say hi to you as well. And thank you so much for watching. And I'm glad that you're enjoying the content. So let's go back to this stuff in here. These I thought were really, really cute. $1.25 as well. I bought it for this yellow one, just for the yellow one right here. But how cute are these little Easter eggs? I kind of want to keep the yellow one for myself, and I have an idea with the other one, so we'll see. We'll see. By the way, I'm up in my chair right now, but Otis is down below, so if you hear He just sneezed, so I don't know if you hear that or not. You guys may remember, some of you that watch the channel have been watching for a while, I did get a jacuzzi, like an inflatable hot tub, last year that I'm getting ready to set back up for the season. I'm very excited about that. And I found this in the plus section, this waterproof submersible LED puck light. And I thought that that could be kind of fun to drop down in the jacuzzi, and then I could play around with the different lights. So we'll see. We'll see. I don't know how that's going to hold up in with chlorine and stuff, but we'll see. This was something that I saw at Dollar Tree. It was $1.25. It's cornbread mix from El Paso. And I immediately was like, ooh, that would be really good to turn into a, not a meal, but a side dish of some kind. And I thought, why not grab some corn, and then I can mix that together. I'm gonna try and balance this. And then I went and I also grabbed a can of black beans and thought that I could drain the black beans, drain the corn, mix them with the cornbread. I have some jalapenos here at home, so I thought I could do that also. And I'm gonna ducktail just a minute to put these on the floor. And thought that that could be a really cool kind of potential, not side dish, but an accompaniment to my meal. And then I even thought about like making a chili or something like that, and doing like a cornbread topping or something. So that could be fun. I bought another one of these candlesticks because I'm kind of obsessed with these, and DIY idea to come. I bought one of these, also one of these battery kind of LED candles. I tested it before I left the store because I have been burned by these, and this is not for this, but by the way, if you didn't know, these smaller ones fit perfectly on top of those candle holders. So if you can find those at Dollar Tree, grab them. I think I've bought like 6 of those candle holders now because I really do like them a lot. This is for me and for the shower, and it is a 2-in-1 kind of a body shampoo. It's got shampoo and conditioner in it, and it's cruelty-free, it's dye-free, it's paraben-free, and it's vegan, and it smells pretty good. So I bought that one. This one's called Alpine Timber, and I like to get my body washes from the Dollar Tree. My housekeeper the other day was here, and she was like, "Oh, Mr. James, you have so many body washes," and I was like, "Yeah, I do." Thanks, Dollar Tree. I bought this for a DIY. It's one of those paintable vases that you can get in the Crafter Square section. And then this, I don't know if this is any good or not, but I'm going to give it a try. It's a daily deodorant, it's a daily detox deodorant. It's green tea and cucumber. It smells really good. Again, it's aluminum free, it's sulfate free, it's something free, paraben free, dye free, cruelty free, and vegan. So I wanted to give this a try. There were a couple different scents in this too, so I thought, why not? I bought this. It's funny, I just got back from a business trip, and I bought this for that trip and forgot that I had bought that before I went. And then I showed you that guy. These always get so scuffed up in the bags, so my store's not wrapping them. But that's okay, right? We're gonna pay for that extra 75 cents or whatever it is. I bought a child-sized hula hoop because I do have a DIY idea. And then I bought a larger adult hula hoop because when you put them together, they could make a fun item. So more to come there. Despite what you guys think lately, I am working on DIYs, just a little slower at it than I like. This was $3, but this I thought was worth it, and this will go into my office. It's a kind of a dry erase board. It's got a to-do list. It's got magnets. This also comes with the pen. I thought this was absolutely worth $3. It would, of course, loved it if it was only $1 or $1.25. But for $1.75, I was not mad at this at all. It's by Jot. Jot makes some fantastic office supply stuff for, this is a Dollar Tree brand, I believe. Yeah, Greenbrier International. And it's a good size. It's a good size for my office, for my my house, my poor little house, has 2 offices now. It has my kind of day job office, and it's got my YouTube office, and then it's got my bedroom, and it's got a guest room. But I'm fortunate to have that too. So let me make sure that everybody knows that. Cute little Easter ribbon. Love that. Love the colors in that. And then I bought one to kind of complement that with the burlap in the orange. And then I think here's another deco art. I bought a solar light because I have a DIY idea coming soon for that. And then this is another one of those deco art outdoor paints in this kind of fun green color. And it's funny because I'm working on redoing my deck, and this is going to be one of the kind of accent colors on the deck and the back. I'm not redoing, like rebuilding the deck, I wish, but I'm just redecorating it, and this will be fun to use for some accent pieces out there. These I have returned. Funny story about this. So this is one of those pots. It's $5. The poor guy at the register was trying to ring this up, and this barcode was not scanning, and he got frustrated and he gave it to me for $1.25. I'm not going to say who he is or what store he worked for. So Dollar Tree corporate, if you're watching and listening, you can just deal with it. That's what you get for raising your prices on us. And these I thought were really cool. And these are some new rag rugs that they have at Dollar Tree. And I grabbed a couple different colors. I love this because it kind of reminds me of like a denim. And I thought that could be a really nice accent on my sofa, or honestly on the bed in the guest room. And I bought 2 of those just in case, but then this one I really liked. And again, could be really fun accents. I bought 2 of these, and this is just kind of a new kind of rag rug color. They had about 5 or 6 different colors, but I didn't need the other colors, so I certainly didn't want to just buy them. Jamie in the past would have done that, and that's why Jamie had a bunch of stuff in the attic that he needed to donate. But this I thought was great. If you guys, I mean, obviously you guys know I like blue, and so all these colors and everything are perfect, and I really, really did like these a lot. Again, I just wanted to say thank you to the subscriber that sent me the watch. I really appreciate it. I received a fun emotional support pickle from another subscriber of mine, and somebody sent Otis some cat toys too. Actually, it's the same person that sent me the pickle, and so it's a very nice surprise. My birthday is in April, so I certainly appreciate it, and I'm looking forward to bringing you guys more stuff. And I'll be shopping at Dollar Tree still for a little while, and we'll keep seeing, but hopefully they will continue to improve on their item selection and their options, and we'll be able to bring other really fun stuff soon. All right, guys, until next time. Oh, and bye, Charlie Ray. So you guys take care, and I'll chat with you soon, all right? All right, take care.